Hello everybody, this is Brian Bob Chapman, Hot Wheels fan, making this quick review on these 5-pack Hot Wheels car meat fan cars, and I'll tell you guys what all these cars are, and I'll read you at the back what they say. The cars are in this pack are, let me turn the camera here. The first one is a 1999 Ford Mustang, and the second one is a Mitsubishi Eclipse concept car light bar, and the next one is a BMW M3, and the next one is a 55 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser. And the last one is a Subaru Impreza WRX. So, let me give you guys a look at these. Let me see. There's the first car. Here's the second car. Here's BMW. Here's the Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser. I know, Paul, you mentioned you have so many in your collection, and I got this Gasser can in this pack. And a Subaru Impreza WRX. So between all these cars, let me know which one is your favorite. So, in the comment section below. So, hope you all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next one. Bye.